Here are 5 reasons why your cat makes weird noises. Reason number 1, the midnight serenade. Yep, your cat's just practicing its opera skills at 3 a.m. Reason 2, the chirping squirrel. This usually happens when your furry friend sees a bird and gets super excited. It's like their version of "Can I get a closer look, please?" Reason 3, the hunger symphony. That dramatic and persistent meow? It's not a mystery. Your cat's just auditioning for the role of starving artist to get more treats. Reason 4, the bathroom ballad. Ever notice your cat meowing while using the litter box? It's their way of saying, "A little privacy, please." And finally, reason 5, the attention call. Sometimes they just want you to drop everything and pamper them like the royalty they believe they are. So next time your cat sounds like it's hosting a one-cat concert, just remember, each strange noise has its own personality.